Flutterflow University. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in flutterflow.io. On the home page, click the Start for Free button located at the top right of the screen. You'll be directed to a sign-up form where you need to enter your name, email address, create a password, and confirm it. Once completed, click Create Account. On the dashboard, click Create New at the top right. Then name your project and click Start Building. You'll be directed to the workspace. On the top left side of the screen, click the menu icon to explore various tools. The widget tool allows you to set up elements on your canvas, such as layout structures and base elements. For example, you can add a text widget to your design and change the content to Alexander Lawrence. Below that, the Page tool lets you view all layers within your workspace, including pages, components, and modals. Under the Page tool, the widget tree shows all the elements and content on your pages. On the right-hand screen, you have full control of each element, including visibility, padding, alignment, font styling, and even adding gradients.